destiny performing ability comes by the power of the Spirit. There are things that you have been destined to be that you are yet not. And I announce to your destiny, it's time to manifest.
This is your season, your moment, your time to shine. 7 Sundays of breakthrough, starting this Sunday at Realm International Ministries. Get ready for divine invitation to break new grounds. Shift your life and propel your destiny forward like never before. Ministering will be our man of God, Apostle John Good News. Chains will break, dreams will awaken, and doors will swing wide open. Come and receive fresh fire, power to move higher, and the anointing to take you to your next level.
Receive fresh fire, fresh fire, fresh fire, fresh.
This is not just another service, it's a God encounter, divine appointment, and a turning point. It begins this Sunday, 17th August 2025 at Realm International Ministries. Invite your friends and loved ones. Your new chapter is waiting.